Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake in a microwave. So now you take 1 cup of hot milk, 1 tablespoon of passion fruit juice, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, soda bicarbonate, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix sugar in warm milk. Now you pour in the warm milk into the sugar and mix it till it dissolves. Now you keep mixing it. Drop in the all-purpose flour into a sieve and drop it into the milk, the cocoa powder and the baking powder. Mix them all together. See that they all evenly mixed. Mix them well till they are evenly done. In the oil, it's optional, and mix the passion fruit juice. This softens the cake. Add in the vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. This is right from the plantation, fresh vanilla. Microwave plate, a dish, grease paper, and then you pour in the mixture, the batter, into the bowl. It's a microwave bowl. Now you pour, it should be a deep one, so when it rises, to a microwave on high for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. And when it's cooked, you can take it out and try it. Go to enjoy the chocolate cake made from a microwave oven. Teach your children who loves baking. It's simple and very easy. Let it cool before you take it off from the dish. If you have any doubts about the cake, you can write and ask any questions you want. It's nearly done. We can wait for another few minutes.